Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it's Christmas today, and by the time you guys are going to watch this video, I think it's gonna be, I don't know, but I'm really happy because this day has a really different vibe. And this is my Christmas tree here. You can watch all of this in my Christmas vlog, which has already been uploaded. It's here. You guys can go check it out if you haven't. And in today's video, what I'm gonna do, you already read by the title. Yes, as you guys had shown a lot of love on my previous makeup haul video, that was the Nykaa haul video, where I tried to purchase makeup items within the price range of 300 bucks. And that's why I have a really nice topic in today's video. Yes, I'm gonna tell you all in 2000 rupees how you can buy an entire beginner's makeup set, because a lot of you guys have been asking me to do this video and the results are amazing. There is no such product that I'm not happy with. All of them are really good. And let's begin with the haul video. So let's get started. So guys, firstly we have a primer, the Inside primer. I have shown this primer in my previous video also, and trust me guys, if you don't have a primer, do invest in this one because it's really good. It's so budget friendly. It's just for 240 bucks. Just for 240 bucks. As you can see, it has a really nice gel-like texture. And this gel-like texture helps to hold your makeup for so long, and it provides a really nice base to your makeup. So do invest in this if you don't have a primer. And this is for 240 bucks. So let's move on to the next product. Okay, so for foundation, this is the cheapest and the best foundation that I know. This is Lakme's Perfect Liquid Foundation. This is just for 155 bucks. Just for 155 rupees, and it's just so good. If you have a really fair skin tone, you can go for a lighter shade like this. There are just two shades I guess in this foundation, but if you are a beginner at makeup and you are just thinking of starting to apply makeup or something, you can go with this shade. It's really good. And if you want more options in the shade, you can always choose Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, but the quantity in this will be lesser than this. Okay, the quantity will be less than that, so you can go with this if you are a beginner. It has a quantity of 27 ml, so it's really budget friendly, and it's just for 155 rupees. So give this product a try if you haven't. And you can just see the shade here. I think I don't have to do the swatch or something. Let me try. The one disadvantage in this product is that it does not come with a dropper, so you don't have anything to drop this with. So you must have a brush, or you have to, but for 155 rupees I think it's manageable, because they are giving you the foundation and they are not giving you the applicator. But you can go a little more higher if you want an applicator. There's also another foundation in Lakme which has an applicator. That was my beginner's foundation. This is the picture. It looks like this, and I'll tag all the makeup products in the description so you guys can go check it out. And yes, this was the foundation, and let's move on to the concealer. And for the concealer, I have told you that this concealer from Swiss Beauty is my favorite, and I tried to search a concealer with a lesser price range, but I could not find one because this is really good. And the price of this is 199 I guess. Yes, the price of this product is 199 rupees, and I'm really happy with this concealer because it has a really nice finish. It's not cakey at all, and the application is really good, and the applicator is really good in this concealer. So this one is in the shade 02 Sand Sable. In the previous video I had shown you another shade that was medium moyenne, which was 05. So if you have a dusky skin tone, you can go with medium moyenne, but if you are really fair, you can go with Sand Sable. Both of them are really similar. They don't look really different, but again, this is a really good concealer. and this is how the shade is. It's really light. Yes, so if you have a really fair skin tone, only then opt for this. This is how the concealer is. Yes, this light it is, and if you want to see, it has a really nice texture and it is really nicely blendable. So do opt for Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer. I have also linked this product in the description. All the products are linked, guys. Go check it out in the description. And moving on to our next product, we have a compact powder that is for the cheapest rate among all of these things. Okay, so here it is. It is L18's compact powder. If you guys don't know about L18 or you haven't heard about L18, it's a really nice makeup brand that has really affordable makeup products. I must say that L18's Colourpop nail polishes were my favorite when I was a kid, but now the compact powder and all the other makeup items from this particular brand are really good and they are really worthy too. So I think you must invest in this compact powder. As you can see, just for 100 rupees. Yes, just for 100 rupees you are going to get a mirror and a applicator and a compact powder. So guys, after applying your foundation and concealer, you can use this as a base and then you can apply your blush and everything else. So yes, you can invest in this. It's just for 100 rupees. So your beginner's makeup set is going to look really good when it's put together. So let's move on to the next product. We have 3 products in one. Yes, I could not find anything cheaper than this because this product that I'm going to show you now is amazing. It might be pricey than all the other products that I'm showing you, but you get 3 products in one. So it's just really good, and it's from the company Sugar. Yes, I had shown you the Sugar minis in my previous video, and I tried of searching for blushes. I guess you can get for a even lesser price range, but if you are getting a combo like this, why not buy the blush of Sugar itself, you know. So in this combo you are gonna get 3 things: the contour, the highlighter and the blush. All the 3 things. As you can see, they are just so pretty. These shades are subtle shades. I already own vivid colors, so these are subtle shades. The contour has a really nice texture and the blush is my favorite. It's like on my top priority list. And coming to the highlighter, I have other favorite highlighters, but again this one's really manageable. It's also really good, and you must have a highlighter in your beginner's makeup set. Only owning the foundation, concealer and compact does not make it look like makeup. Trust me, I had spent a lot of years applying makeup like that and I look like a patched face. You could only see foundation on my face, like only the base makeup and nothing else on it. No blush, no highlighter. Imagine how the makeup used to look. But then it's okay because now I have learned how to do my makeup in a good way. So if you want to do makeup, do it in a really nice way, I suggest, because rather than looking like a thumb, which I used to look before, you guys can invest in all of these products. And the price of this product is 799 rupees. I know it's a little bit costly, but you are getting 3 products in one, and that too from Sugar. So you must invest in this product. And each of this, if you buy individually, I guess it is going to cross 900 bucks. Yes, so 799 is a really nice deal for these 3 products. And this palette is Subtle Summit and it's in the shade number 01. If you want a really vivid blush and a really dark contour, you can go for shade number 02, which is brighter compared to this one. So let's move on to the next product. I have bought. Yes, I have an eyeliner. Yes, I have been showing the Nykaa's Black Magic liner, but this is a different liner and it's cheaper and the quantity is really good, and plus it's waterproof. Yes, it is Biotique's Magic Liner. It's really good, and it's just for 120 rupees, and you get a lot of product. If you have noticed, all the other liners, they have like this big applicator and they just have this much of product. But I think this is a really nice thing, you know, because this is a really good size for an applicator, and this is the perfect amount of eyeliner that we require. So please change your packaging and make it like this so that it becomes affordable to us. All the other brands, learn from Batik. This dark the shade is, and it's really good. Trust me, I really love this product. Also, the shampoos that I use, it's from Biotique because it's Ayurveda and it does not contain sulfates as other brands. So I really like products from Biotique, and this is my first purchase of an eyeliner. So yes, do give it a try. It's just for 120 rupees. So again, it's gonna fit in your beginner's makeup kit very easily. So let's move on to the next product. Okay, so for the next product we have lipsticks. And what's makeup without lipstick, huh? I've told you this line like a lot of times, I guess. Yeah, what's makeup without lipsticks? So yes, lipsticks. Maybelline's lipsticks are my favorite, and here you can see I have got two at 3.99 is what it says, but on Nykaa I got it for even lesser price, that is for 299 rupees. I got two lipsticks, and in that you get a really amazing pink nude tone shade that is my favorite. I have mentioned this in a lot of videos, and I'm going to tell you guys, if you're a beginner and if you want a nude lipstick, okay, if you want a nude lipstick, don't purchase anything else. Purchase this one first because it's really cheap, guys, and it's a really nice shade. Again, this is Touch of Spice in the shade 660, and the other shade in this box is Rich Ruby. As you can see, it's in the shade number 691, and it's also a really nice color. This is how Rich Ruby looks like. It's a bright red color, and the other shade, which is my favorite, red. I don't know why I like this shade so much. So it's a really nice pink nude shade. Yes, I really like both of these shades, but the disadvantage is that if you just buy one lipstick, I guess it's gonna cost you more. So why not buy a pack like this, and you can get it for 299 rupees, and you can get two lipsticks. So go for such packs, and it's gonna be really worth it. These are creamy mattes, and they are really good. And there are additionally two more products that I'm going to show you, which might cost you up to 2,500, but they are really optional. If you want them, you can purchase them, or else you can finish your beginner's makeup kit. And all these products that I showed you till now, these are just two additional products that you might require if you are really sweaty. Yes, if you are really sweaty like me, you might require a makeup fixer. Yes, this also I have shown you in my previous video. It is Swiss Beauty's makeup fixer. It's really good. It has aloe vera and vitamin E in it, and it has a really nice texture. After you apply your makeup, just spray this from a distance, and it's gonna help you set your makeup really well. And if you sweat really badly like me, I think you might require this, but if you are a beginner, it's not really necessary. And the last product that I have is a brow pencil. I needed this, so I have purchased this. I'm suggesting it to you all. If you want a brow pencil, you can buy this, or else you can manage it with, you know, dark color eyeshadows or kajal or anything. It's not like really necessary if you're a beginner. This is in the shade 01 Cherry Brown. This is a really nice eyebrow definer. I really like Sugar's products, so I guess that's it for the beginner's makeup kit video. I hope you guys loved this video too, and you will think of purchasing all this within the price of 2,000 rupees. If you want a makeup kit as such, I want to show you the free products that I got. This is a lipstick that I got because I purchased Insights Primer. This lipstick is also really good. It's manageable. The texture is good. Also, I got another free product, which is my total favorite, and honestly, just to get that free product, I bought my eyebrow pencil. and these are sugar minis. Yes, I'm so happy that I got this as a free product. I mean, I didn't even think that this was a free product. I was actually thinking of purchasing these minis, but then I thought I don't require them, so I don't. But I was getting this as a free product, so why not? And I've got so pretty shades in this. There are 4 mini lipsticks and they are all super cute. They are all variations of the color red that I don't own. I have a lot of shades in pink, but I don't have a lot of shades in red. And the lipstick that I'm applying right now is also one of this lipstick, that is this one, the shade 10, that is Drop Dead Red. Let me show you how bright this red color is. And after application, it's just so smooth and it just does not even stick to your mask. That's the plus point of these lipsticks. It's so bright, as you can see. You can even prank somebody saying that it's fake blood, you know, it's that bright. And let me show you the other 3 shades and then I'm gonna wrap up this video. So moving on to our next shade, we have Plum Yum in the shade 04. This is a little bit of light red and it is a light pink shade, I can say. It is somewhat red and pink mixed. And this is a shade that I don't own again, and it's really good after you apply it. And this is the next shade, that is Teak Mystique. Such a cute name, Teak Mystique. It's in the shade number 14 and okay, so this is somewhat dark. I don't think I can show you the. This is there's a train going, so bye. Whenever I was young, I used to say bye to that train. As if somebody is watching me, you know. Let me show it to you. It's actually maroon. It's not bright red, as I showed you. It's not bright red or anything. And the last shade that I got is Berry Mulberry. Cute names. This is kinda wine color, yeah. It's wine red. Yes, it's wine red in color. I really like all of these shades, and plus I got it for free, so I like it even more. So yes, I got these 4 lipsticks free on Nykaa. So yes, that's how you can buy your beginner's makeup kit and also get extra stuff for free. And yes guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you to purchase your beginner's makeup set. So guys, quick announcement, I forgot to announce this in the video. I'm going to be giving away all of these products that I've shown in this video. Yes, our Gloss Squads giveaway is going to end tomorrow, yes. And this giveaway is going to start from tomorrow, so I'm really happy. This is going to be my first giveaway this year, and I've already hosted a lot of giveaways, so the same way I'm going to conduct a lot more of giveaways. So stay tuned on my Instagram handle for further details. This is my Instagram handle, so do follow me there, and yeah, do participate in the giveaway guys. Also till then, you guys can comment down below what other kinds of videos you guys would like to see on my channel. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you didn't like it, you can hit the dislike button. So yes guys, wish you a really happy Christmas and a really good new year that's gonna come. I hope that this year is gonna be really good. I just hope. So yes, meet you all soon in another video. Till then, bye bye.